Hey, it's Michelle Butt. Do you know what time it is? Yes, it's time for another Fun Fact Friday. And this week, I thought I'd give you a real life tip that could save you some grief and also potentially even save you some money if you were considering some things. So you know I love to talk about wrinkles. I love to talk about how they've come, where they've come from, that there are truth, not our lies, and especially now that summer is here and we have to think about sunscreen and all those things and how people tell us we get wrinkles from being out in the sun. The sun does affect our skin, yes, absolutely, but it is really important to understand that wrinkles are caused as a result of a facial expression that we make habitually because of a thought that we're thinking that leads to an emotion that we feel that then creates a physical response. And so that is the cycle of how we behave, and especially where wrinkles are concerned, certain thought patterns will show up on our faces. And you know, we've talked about the good kind and the not so good kind, those warning signs. And if you want to discern what a wrinkle means for you on your face, then I am going to give you the dollar store facelift of your life. So if you have a wrinkle that's bothering you and is showing up and you want to understand why it's showing up, then just grab your handy dandy tape, and when you're alone, because if you do this out in public, people might think you're a little bit crazy, you take a piece of tape and you just put it across that area on your face that seems to bother you. And you walk around with a little notebook or your phone, and every time you feel that tape pull, you think in the moment, what am I thinking? What am I feeling? What's causing me to make the expression that is carving this wrinkle in my face? And you will begin to understand your pattern and your habit that is causing you to create this or that or these on your face. And that is part of your story. And it might really give you some insight into where you are right now emotionally, where you are with the circumstances in your life, and how to begin to recognize a pattern that if you want to change it, that you can start getting help for. Now, oftentimes when this happens, we think, oh my gosh, every time I think of my ex-husband or my boss or everything I have to do, I feel a wrinkle here and I feel and I'm seeing that and the tape is pulling. And maybe that's something that you can fix on your own, the recognition of it. But oftentimes, patterns and habits are hard to break without help. So if you use the tape facelift awareness tool that I've given you today and you need some help, then find someone you trust or find someone who can truly see you to help you change that pattern. It can be a friend, it can be a family member, it can be a coach, it can be a counselor. Heck, it can even be me if you want to get some more insight into how to change the habits and patterns that are showing up on your face. I'm always here, and you know I will be here next Friday, and you won't see tape on my face again anytime soon, but I hope you try this and it gives you some clarity and some change in your life on this beautiful, beautiful sunny day. See you next week.